So you may be able to. We'll see. Let's try it again. I'm going to show you really. I'll get it first. If you was to rate your
Alright, so you guys brought in the first gator of the season so far. You ended your season kind of early.
Yeah, supposedly we're the first gator brought in. There'll probably be quite a few more brought in tonight, so we'll see how it goes.
So how did you bring this one on the boat?
We hooked him. He gave us a slip a couple times, and I don't know, he finally messed up. He come up right by the boat, and we were able to put a hook on him, and we got him in. We got the big hand lines on him and snared him, and then he sealed the deal.
You want a picture?
Ryan, you want a picture with that? Want a picture with him like that?
You want a picture? Yeah. Spin it around.
Sorry.
Nope.
So the first alligator we were sneaking up on, we broke the trolling motor off into the water, scared it off, and then the second one made a bad shot, or this alligator actually made a bad shot, and it bounced off of him, and he came back up a little while later, and we snuck back in and actually got him, which usually doesn't happen. Usually once you mess up, they're gone.
I can send Grant.
176. Y'all want the tag? You want to keep the tag? Sure.